were asked, why are you invested in cryptocurrency? What would you answer? Most of you will probably say it's because the chances of earning from cryptocurrency investments are high. In fact, this is the reason why crypto mining and crypto staking are popular these days. Aside from directly investing in cryptocurrencies, investors have used these two methods to earn more and multiply their assets. And speaking of, we will focus on crypto staking today. So, what is crypto staking? It is the process of committing assets to a blockchain network. It is the process used to verify crypto transactions. It is the process of locking up your crypto assets to earn interest or obtain rewards. For example, let's say Mr. X borrows 2000 dirham from Mr. Y. Mr. Y tells Mr. X that he would need to pay 10% interest when he gives this amount back to Mr. Y. Mr. X agrees and receives the 2000 dirham from Mr. Y. In this sense, Mr. Y staked 2000 dirhams to Mr. X as a form of investment. He will not take this 2000 dirham whenever he wants, but wait for Mr. X to pay it back to him. At the same time, he will earn 10% interest as the two parties agreed on. Like in the concept of staking, investors also earn something in return when they hold their crypto assets on a certain protocol or platform. The investors earn cryptocurrencies when blockchains validate the stored coins that they stake via staking pools or staking platforms. Now, do you want to know how to earn via crypto staking? Here are 7 simple steps. Step 1. Choose any proof of stake crypto like Solana, Polkadot, Cardano, Polygon, etc. Step 2. Learn the minimum staking amount. Step 3. Install a software wallet for your chosen coin. Step 4. Check that your internet connection is stable. Step 5. Go to crypto exchanges like Coinbase, Binance, and Kraken. Step 6. You can also check staking as a service platforms like MyContainer, Stake Capital, and Staked. Step 7. Start staking. Suffice to say, crypto staking is a good way to earn more crypto, especially if you truly understand how it works. With that said, it is advisable to do your own research first, understand its concept, and learn how it should be done before staking your coins.